Well, as 2025 kicks off, the crypto experts have returned with their price predictions for the year. Even if we're all still in awe of Bitcoin's 100,000 milestone, it's hard not to think about the future of the leading token in 2025. Our next report telling you more as we dive into the wide-ranging price predictions for the OG token. Take a look.
Who does not love a good guessing game? Experts have come out with their Bitcoin bets for 2025. Here is a list according to Blockhead based on the most popular Bitcoin price projections for this year. As irrational as they may be, the range is wide as usual, from $60,000 to $1 million. Anyone for $60,000? The answer is yes. The most cautious stance comes from the head of research at Fundstrat Global Advisors, Tom Lee. Lee said that Bitcoin might drop below $60,000 in early 2025 and called it a hyper-volatile asset. However, he said Bitcoin may recover and reach $250,000 by the end of the year. $180,000. Asset manager VanEck remains bullish on Bitcoin's potential for growth this year. This comes despite the firm's recent forays into Ethereum and Solana ETFs. However, VanEck shares Lee's belief that Bitcoin's value might decline before turning higher later in the year. $200,000. Another crypto ETF enthusiast, Bitwise, predicts that the OG token will double to $200,000 this year. The global head of digital assets research at Standard Chartered, Geoff Kendrick, shares the belief that Bitcoin might reach $200,000. Kendrick pointed to the power of Bitcoin ETFs and Trump's impact as reasons. Standard Chartered's end of 2024 prediction for Bitcoin was fairly spot on. $250,000. Tim Draper, who isn't afraid to make bold forecasts, thinks Bitcoin will reach $250,000 soon. He cited the proposed US Strategic Bitcoin Reserve as the reason. As mentioned earlier, Lee also believes Bitcoin could hit $250,000 in 2025. $500,000. On November 25, in a social media post, Robert Kiyosaki made the bold prediction that Bitcoin's price may reach $500,000. However, he cautioned that this prediction was influenced by artificial intelligence. Early last year, he had predicted that the OG token might hit $350,000 by August 2024. In a prior prediction, he attributed AI's rise to the likelihood that Bitcoin will reach $1 million by 2030. He had also said perhaps even $10 million, accompanied by hints that they could one day come true. $1 million, anyone? Yes, the wildest is the $1 million bet. Crypto investor Samson Mow has restated his $1 million Bitcoin price bet. Mow has predicted it year after year, and for 2025, it is no different. Regardless of whether you agree with these forecasts or think they are pure fiction, 2025 looks to be another interesting year for Bitcoin. Business Bureau, WION, World is One.